My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches.
Bro, I hit on NSB like a bunch.
I was submitting billing for one finally.
I got so many declined calls.
Oh dude, I got an order confirmation. Oh my gosh, I got one. Oh, thank the Lord. I got another one. Complete order. Boom. Just got another one, man. Oh dude, I got an order confirmation from Kith. Supreme is going to be dropping soon, and for the past 2 weeks I've been taking L's on Supreme. They have been really effective at stopping most bots, so that means I have to do something different. I'm going to be running desktop mode on Nike Supbot. I'm going to be running a Chrome extension on my browser. I will be running Supbot on my iPhone, and I will be running a private iOS bot that is currently in beta on my iPad. Payment processing. I got payment declined. What happened to Nike Supbot, dude? Wait, what just happened? Did I check out? I got payment declined on Supbot. Wait, no I didn't. Okay, I got some stuff. I got the Molotov Kid tee, Riders tee, and Suzy Switchblade tee. What's going on, guys? In about 1 minute, the New Balance X Bodega 997S is going to drop, and hopefully we could get it. I never really copped on the network app before, so we're gonna give it a go.
Welcome to Network. Exclusively inclusive.
Oh, what? Dude, it popped up. What? It's sold out. Well, good game, boys. First shipment of Yeezy clays came in. Time to open them up. There are a bunch of alternating brown and white reds all throughout the shoe, and that's what gives it its unique color. So that's really interesting. That's how they were able to make this look like this. How's it broken?
Look at this one.
What the hell? What size is that one? 8. Joy had pointed out that one of the threads went off of the front. Not sure if that's going to affect anything as far as its resale value. Probably will. Damn, that quality control. What's going on? Supreme in-store sign-up is about to take place in a minute and a half. Oh, I got it, dude. I don't know if that's a ghost checkout. This is my first time successfully doing this with Eve. I registered. That was very smooth this time. Alright, so now we wait till 1 o'clock to see if we get a text from them. Alright, so next up on the agenda for today is the KAWS BFF Pink Plush. I believe there are only 3,000 that are going to be releasing worldwide, and hopefully we can get our hands on a couple of them. I lowered my delays.
What do you have delays at?
1K.
Oh, why is the page like, oh, did this just happen to you guys? Where the page just, oh, what the heck?
Become
What's
pink.
going on? Yeah, the paint and then it centered.
Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah.
Are they gonna drop a password or? What the fuck?
What up, Ben?
I don't know.
The page is middle, like in the middle, right? Is it just me?
Yeah,
It's not-
Okay.
yeah.
The product page is up. Oh, dude. Check
Where?
out.
What is it?
I don't know, but I just went manual. I'm not sure if my bots picked up.
Wait, you guys
Just waiting.
Oh, damn it.
Anyone check out?
Oh, fuck. God damn it, it's a longer way.
anyone through queue?
Not yet.
Nah, man,
You want to get it?
we're both in line.
Oh, I'm getting submitting order for one of. Wow, error submitting order. Come on, don't do this to me.
Oh, I'm adding to cart.
The site went down.
Adding to cart.
Submitting payment on a bunch of tasks.
I'm adding to cart. Is your NSB adding a bunch to cart?
Yeah, mine are all in the queue.
Yeah, mine getting queue. Going to payment page. On the site.
Finally got a text from Supreme after taking L's on this like 3 times in a row. So it looks like I will be going to Supreme on Thursday. Hopefully I get a good time slot. In other news, we had 3 more Yeezys come in the mail, so we're going to go ahead and unbox them. Got a package from last week's Supreme drop. Let's open it up. Check out the sticker. Oh, that's cool. Got the newspaper thingy. I like this t-shirt a lot. A little bit tempted to keep it as a personal. It is super freaking nice. So Supreme sent me a text earlier this afternoon, and it seems that I have a decent spot in line. So I have to get there at 11:45 a.m. Now it takes me about 30 minutes to 40 minutes to get to Supreme. So that means I have to bot, and right as soon as the online drop, I have to dip and book it and get there right away. So it's gonna be a little bit tricky tomorrow, but we'll see how it turns out in the next episode.
Hi guys, it's Joy. If you want free stuff, follow Nova on Instagram and Twitter. He posts giveaways as well as updates regarding Cook Group membership openings. Hope you enjoyed!